What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mike, and yeah, today we are going to make emotional drill beat. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, so I have all the sounds that I want to use in this video. I'll put the link in the description for all the sounds that I'm using in this video. So I have Omnisphere here. I've chosen this finger style acoustic 18 strings for the melody. So yeah, let's get into the piano roll. Let's first make a root note. Alright, now we have the root note. So I think the progression is just good. So now let's go on Control A, Alt R to randomize as usual. Again we go on Alt S. Yeah, this sounds good now. Alright, so I think we are done with the melody now. So let's open arcades. Alright, so now we have arcades here. Now let's make some vocals. So this sounds good. Let's now start making the drums. First let's go to the mixer. Move a little bit of low ends and a little bit of high ends. Alright, now let's start making drums. Alright, so we start with the hi-hat. Now let's add kick and the 808. Alright, so this sounds good. Let's copy this and then drag it over here, and then here let's make some slides. Let's get this one octave up. Alright, so here let's make some slides. Now let's add kick. So now that we're done with the 808 with the drums, let's listen to it. I think we can make change. We can make a change here. Let's make this unique. Then let's try something new else here. So I think let's put a lead. So this is stock plugin, comes with FL Studio. Let's go on the leads, and I've chosen this dark MC, and then let's go into piano roll. This sounds amazing. Let's listen to it now. Right, so this sounds perfect. This sounds good. So let me arrange it and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I didn't do too much to it. I've added like the usual thing, drill gun and everything, and then I've added this razor. Alright, so now let's listen to the whole beat.
It's my.
outro,
It's my.
and the beat is done. So yeah, that's simple, that catchy, the beat is done. So yeah, let me know if you like this type of videos. Let me know in the comment section, and like, subscribe, turn on the notification, and yeah, catch you next time. Peace.